Hi class, welcome to another tutorial on CS384. This time we will be dealing with type conversions in Python. So you already know type conversions in C. Similarly, we have some type conversions in Python, right? Float to integer and integer to float, characters and everything. So let us directly delve into the example. Okay, so we will see this towards the end. Okay. So first I'm having a string. Basically this is a character. S is equal to in single quotes 4. I can make it double quotes also, does not matter. But now it says that okay, 4 is of type string. So there is a function in C called ORD. So basically printing character converting into string. So this is supported only for 0 to 9. So you must have learned ASCII codes, right? So basically it will print the ASCII value of 4, right? After converting string to integer, let me just run the code. This becomes 52. So you can refer the ASCII table online. Okay, let us search here. ASCII table. Let me search here. Okay. So you can see here 4. So character 4, the ASCII value is 52, right? So the character 4 has an ASCII value 52. Let me just underline this. Okay, similarly character 7 has an ASCII value 55. So if I make this as 7, so if I make this as 7, it will print me 55. Let me clear the screen and execute the code. So see, it gives me the value 55. Similarly, we have conversions from different format. So for example, I am having 56, which is a normal integer, but I'm converting into a hex value. So after converting this into a hex value, you get 0x38. X specifies that it's a hex value, right? Similarly, when I'm converting 56 as an integer into an octal value, it prints 0070. This second small 0 is specifying an octal value, right? Now we are converting ASCII values to character, right? I have 97 as a decimal value. I am converting into a character value. So if you remember your C lectures, 97 has the character value A. We can just go online again and check for 97. See, character A is 97. Similarly, if you go for capital A is 65, which is our next output, right? So 65 is our next output. So type conversions are very easy in Python. You need not remember any kind of type specifiers or use complex functions like ATUI or something like this. Similarly, here if you see, I have print integer 45.2, but I'm saying, okay, I just need the integer value of minus 45.2. So what happens? The decimal part is taken away, right? So you see minus 45 remains for integer. Similarly, minus 45 is an integer value. To convert it to a float value, 0 will be appended here because I'm type converting it to a float. Similarly, it supports complex values also. So complex is a plus ij, yeah, ib, whatever you feel like, right? So since I'm specifying only one value, you have the complex as minus 45 plus 0j. So now let us try two values here. Okay, minus 45 comma 9. Let me clear the screen. So you see minus 45 is the real part and 9 is the imaginary part. The first part is the real, second part is the imaginary part. Humans somehow like to make complex things, so they invented complex numbers. They were not happy with the infinite real numbers we had. Then we have an absolute function. Absolute function gives the absolute value, so negatives are basically ignored. So you get 45. Absolute value of a positive value is absolute value. Just showing the next example, it remains the same. Okay. So this was for type conversion. You can convert characters into ASCII values, integers into float values, float into integers. That's it. It's very simple in Python. Thank you.